data scientist researcher over there. So what basically we have, for example, the basically what is that this ocean related research we are doing it up, nature disaster and all those things. Okay, for example, you can think of it, this cyclone, tsunami or fishing zone, like that departments are there in my company. So a cyclone came, funny cyclone, recently, as you have heard of it, last year only it came. So the same cyclone which was named as funny has hit on 1990s also, but at that moment of time our organization was not there. So unfortunately around 2 lakhs people life we have lost it over there, unfortunately, over that time, because nobody there to acknowledge or warn them that this is going to happen, so you need to vacate those places, because no one can fight with the nature. That's the thing, you cannot defeat the nature. If something happens, you have to escape from there, you cannot fight and win from the nature. Good enough. So that was the thing. And same this cyclone now last year also came, but we were all the times 24 into 7 we are monitoring. And for example, if today is 1st of August, so till 15th of August, what will be the scenario of ocean, means what will be the nature of first ocean, what will be the wave height, how what will be the salinity, how will be the salt amount in wave, how frequent the wave will flow, and what will be good, like what will the nature of the ocean will take till 15th of August. So from starting from 1st of August, 2nd of August, 3rd of August, 4th, 5th, like 6th, like this till 15th of August, what will be the nature of ocean, what will be the nature of ocean, we will be predicting dailies, like daily, like 10 lakhs of images, 10 lakhs of messages, WhatsApp, all those things have been shared daily. We are sharing it to the Indian Navy, Indian Coast Guard, and fishermen, coastline people, all those people who are staying, their homes are near to them. So in this case, what happened now, as we were aware 15 days ahead only, that this same cyclone is, sorry, this same cyclone is going to hit it. So what we did it, we 15 days ahead of hitting that same funny cyclone, we told all the coastline people that kindly vacate those places, because this, okay, kindly tell them, we just inform them that this cyclone, funny cyclone, is going to hit the coastline places, so better vacate those places as cyclone is going to come. So what happened this time, as we were in full admit over there and full courage, we have informed to each and every department. We have their electronic boards also, in which keeps on, it will be displaying what will be the scenario of today's cyclone, or what will be the scenario of ocean, what will be a wave height, whether it is good or not, alert warning or very mischievous, like that we are giving like that messages to them. So what happened then this time, we didn't we lost some of the life, around 10 life we just lost it, but it's a huge success. From 2 lakhs to 10 is very a huge sublet, and our promises are going on, like we will be making it up as negligible, that loss of life of our on an object is going to be negligible due to this all thing. Okay, so like this we are doing, one of the department is doing this, in which I am also working. Another department is tsunami department. Here what happens that, since tsunami hit up, and it will it we don't have time over there, it will have like if tsunami emerged, then within half an hour it will destroy and it will off, like that. So what happened, since suppose, so for that purpose what we are doing it, we are 24 into 7 monitoring about the tsunami. And the we have a models for that. Basically we have created models, and we are utilizing those models through this coding as well as like numerical model, a statical model we have. So in that only I'm like mostly we are working over there. So this monitoring tsunami, nature disaster, like that we are doing it. Okay. No, I have done BTech in computer science. BTech in computer science, my engineering department is only there. But what happened, since we have to deal, it's not like that when you are going into this particular department. So you need not have to do, you need not have to do one particular department. I have to study little bit with the help of a scientist and all. I have to acquire some physics related knowledge, and then with my computer skills I have to merge it up, and we have to generate the product. So if you are going to, if suppose you got a project of a finance, okay, so you cannot do only your computer, you have to know little bit about the finance also, like what is loan, what is borrow, what is spending, what is selling, pricing. So little bit information you have to do if you got a finance project. So you have to acquire their knowledge as well as merge it with your computer science skills, and then you can generate a product. Okay, so that is the one department. Another department on which we are working is like that potential fishing zone. In that, what will happen with our models and all those research experiment, we just say to them that at this particular location, means suppose ocean is a huge, isn't it, you cannot measure or you cannot go around and you can have a tour of money. In that places, what we do to fishermen, especially to help the fishermen, we just say, we message to them that at this particular latitude longitude, you go at this particular time, for example 1 p.m. 2 p.m., and there are the more probability of finding a fish over there. So instead of coming empty handed, you will come with some of the fishes happily. So these are the things we are working on it. So we, like, we do mostly for donations, all those things stuff. So this was my little introduction. As I have seen, like, participants are around 10, so you guys can also proceed a little introduction, your name and your qualification, and what is your motto of joining this course. One by one, any can start it. Latit, you can start it. No, you can speak. Better speak it.
Okay,
No
sir.
problem.
Good
Fine, you can.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Well,
Sir, my name is Lalit Mishra and I am pursuing BBA last year in Management Studies.
okay,
And I want to
okay.
learn a Python for data analyst job. Means first I will learn Python, and after that, my friends Win have said that after you can do data analyst course.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
the thing is that good enough. I'm just saying that Python is not now in, if in a scope of computer science guys only or computer guys only. Python is right now in each and every, whether the person is doing biology, whether the person is doing chemistry, whether he's studying math, whether it is studying languages, then also some tasks will come in which you want to automate it up. And this Python is very easy to learn, very fast to learn, and easy syntax, all those things are there. Less line of a code is there. Since less line of a code, so less possibility of getting error. So it will be
Okay,
very
sir.
useful right now if you are learning it. So
Sir,
it
one
has
more
been,
question.
yeah.
Sir, can we do programming by learning Python after that?
Python is a programming language, so it's made for programming only. The
Okay,
first
sir.
priority of Python is programming.
Okay.
Okay, and you not have to
Okay.
worry. The moment you'll go in the classes, no, one by step, I'll go from ABCD. So I have taught to what non-CS guy a lot. I have taught to Nigeria, I have taught to Florida, New Jersey. These all manager level. Currently I'm teaching to one, a guy who is 40 plus age in USA. So he is also interested, he's doing some network kind of jobs. So he want to learn so that he can make his work, networking work, easy. So I'm teaching to him right now in the morning classes. So that is also going
Okay.
on. So it is not like that, and I'll be going step by step, no need to worry. Okay,
Okay, sir.
any other want to
Okay.
introduce?
Hi all, myself Rahul, and I work for British Airways, currently in London,
Mm-hmm.
and so it's around 1.5 years here. Previously, I was in TCS
Okay,
in Noida.
okay. So your hometown is where, in Delhi itself?
No, it's Gwalior.
Mm-hmm. Good enough, very nice. So what's your motto to learn this Python? Any something?
Yeah, actually, I also want to go to this deep learning and all. Like, how the technology is getting
Yeah,
evolved,
yeah, yes.
and so to be competent enough to like be in the mainstream, we'll have to go with the new
What
skills.
is your qualification? Highest qualification?
I have also done BTech, but I did in electrical engineering.
Okay, no problem, no problem. I have even taught to homemaker also, home housewife. They came to teach, they came to learn
Mm.
that how this programming will do it. Then I'll taught to them. So you can understand my level of explaining.
Yeah, that's
Isn't
that's good. That's what we are expecting.
no problem. I'll go from A, B, C, D. Like what is computer
Yeah?
memory like that? I'll go it. So interpreter, compiler like that. So no need to worry. I'll handle it that. Okay. Ayan, can you
No, no,
carry on? Hmm.
that much I know. I have 7 year experience, but that's okay for other guys who want to like
That will be in theory like one or two. After that, in first class or second class, we'll start the programming in Python. Okay, okay. Ayan, what about you? Hello, anyone wants to introduce themselves? Kazi, Shiyog, Tawfiq is there. Any more introduction? Okay, no problem. Fine. So, so what we are doing now, I'll be sharing with you guys the what are our roadmap will be there, action or plan, how we will be achieving, how will we will be becoming good enough in doing coding. Okay, good enough. So, so this is the Python syllabus core 2 in which we will be going in detail. What is core Python? Okay, you guys can see my screen, isn't it? Lalit, you guys can see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Kazi, we cannot hear you. No problem, no problem.
The Kaji have to put it on
Unmute, unmute, isn't
audio,
it? Yeah,
audio
yeah.
on.
Now can you hear me?
Yeah, Kazi, yeah, yeah. Now we can hear you.
Yeah. Okay, let me give. I would also like to introduce myself. It will
Sure.
take very short time if
No.
you allow.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, sure, sure. You can proceed.
I'm Kazi. I'm from your neighbor country, Bangladesh.
Okay, good, great.
By profession, I'm an electrical engineer. I've completed my graduation in electrical engineering, and then also I've done MBA with major in finance. So all the things with calculation, mathematics, numbers everywhere. But I always have a weakness or passion to this do these things to the analysis part.
Good, 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 good.
So now, which actually turns me to learning the Python.
No, if you are doing some mathematical operation for that, I'll be talking in the last classes. There is a module called NumPy, which is short form of numerical Python. Okay, so
Okay.
all the operations
Okay.
like correlation, RMS, you used to validate it up. Those things you can do easily with NumPy module. Though how to install that NumPy module, how to operate it up, those things I'll be discussing in class.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, good enough.
Okay.
Any
Okay.
more doubts?
Thank you. No.
Good enough. So we are starting our like action or plans, what all things we will be doing. Good. So our syllabus will contain of core Python, advanced Python, late data science, Django, okay, Twinkter is there, and web scraping. For example, this core Python and advanced Python will be very in deep, okay, and then this data science, Django, Twinkter, as well as web scraping will be not so deep because it's a another topic itself. If you are talking of Django, it will take at least 1 month to understand is very nicely. But in place of me, what I'll be doing is that this core Python and advanced Python will be in very details. It will take most around 2 months of times to cover it up, this all courses. Okay, data science, I'll be explaining what exactly the data science is theory, as well as some of the popular modules are there in data science for data analyzing. Okay, to collect the data or manipulate the data. So those modules I'll be explaining in brief only, not to detail. I'll explain that particular module, how to install it up, how to do the operations. Okay, and I'll show you examples also by programming. Okay, but not to details in that. Django, what I'll be doing it, what is the procedure of making a website through your Python. For that, we will be using Django module. So how to install the Django, that I'll be explaining. Okay, how to install the Django, how to do for that, we will be required a IDLE called PyCharm, that I'll be showing how to install, when what are the instructions to follow while installing in your system. Okay, as well as I'll be creating one simple web page kind of a project to show, if somebody have a knowledge of Java. Is there anyone who have the knowledge of Java over here?
Uh, no.
No. In Java, normally we have a MVC concept, model view controller, but that has been removed in Django. Here we are talking about MVT, model view template. Okay, so these all, what is this and how the formalities are happening. For example, if you are opening a Amazon.com, the moment you are clicking on what main section. For example, if I am opening Amazon.com, okay, .in, if suppose I am opening, and if I go to main section, then what will happen is that my URL will change. My if I go to men's section, just hold on. If I go to men's section or in men's fashion, if I am going, then you can say if I am going to clothing or watches like that, then what happened here, you can say the URL got changed, that amazon.in// is there, and at last M fashion came. So this M fashion, if I go to women section, what will happen? This M fashion will change to W fashion, like that. So they have written some code like that over there. So this way of processing all those things, I'll be explaining little bit, that how the web applications are working and how the people are creating this particular program kind of things. Okay, so not in one web page kind of things I'll be showing. There is another thought called Twinkle is their topic, in which if you want to create a GUI, graphical user interface, or desktop based application, if you want to create in Python, so for that this Twinkle is there. So I'll be explaining this Twinkle very details, how, what is it, how to do it, all the buttons and all which gets are there, and I'll be creating a calculator type of a simple program to show an example how we can do. Now another concept is web scraping. In web scraping, what happen, if these datas are there, products are there, this products price as well as images like that, if you want to save all the images into your local disk, local system, so for that you can do with the help of a web scraping. So that also I'll be showing how to do it in web scraping. So what my motto is that you understand the core Python very deep, advanced Python very deep, and then you understand all the possibility. Means you, if after you have learned the core Python and advanced Python, you became somehow that you can automate or you can write your program in Python. Okay, you can write any program in your Python, and then at that moment of time I'll be showing you that what all are the possibility you can use your computer Python skills, you can implement your Python skills by showing all this. Like you can go to data science, you can do web development, you can do web scraping, you can create a Twinkler by GUI based deployment. At that moment of time it's very useful for you to take grab it up which particular topics or which particular profile you have to accept. Now basically what is happening, all are saying deep learning, machine learning, like that. So we are forwarding it, we are going in the crowd, and what happens that we are paying the fee. We will take 1 week of a 1 week course, we will take it up. Okay, and then what will happen is that we will pay the fees to them. good enough, and after 15 days I am finding out that it's not my cup of a tea. I cannot able to understand. I'm not willing to do this kind of work, and like that, if we will think might be, then it's a mental as well as physical torture also to us. So I'm just saying you all, sharing all the basics of all the possibility, and that moment of time you can decide it. Because what happened, several cases has came to me itself. I'm teaching for a long time. So what happened, they joined as an internship in any of the company, directly going to DL ML, means deep learning, machine learning, or database, and data science. And then what happened, they got frustrated. They came back to me and they told like, let me please learn me, please teach me this Python, and I can able to understand, because all the things are going above my mind. So like that is happening it up. So that's the reason, after you became good enough to do the programming, I'll show you the implementation possibilities, what all are the things you can utilize in your computer skills. And then at that moment of time you should decide it up, but it's better to decide which profile you should go it. Okay, fine. So we will talk about the course objective. Is that the purpose of this course is to introduce to student or employees to the field of programming using Python language only. The student employees will be able to enhance their analyzing and problem solving skills, and use the same for writing programs in Python. So that what will happen, that you can automate, means automatically you can do the things which you are doing manually will be done by your Python script, or you can solve the real world problem if something happens. So we will be talking about installing and running the Python interpreter, creating, executing Python program, understanding the concept of file input and output. Okay, core Python, advanced Python, can read any kind of a file. If suppose you have a data in Excel file, or you have a file stored in CSV format or text format, so how to utilize it up, how to use those, how to manipulate, how to use those data through Python, that I'll be explaining, and many more. Okay, so prerequisites for course is that not required, because I'll be going from the basics only. Means if somebody have a problem, then I can take that, I can explain him separately. As well as the course outcome is that after completion of this course, you will be able to understand the concept in problem solving, do programming in Python language, to diverse okay, to diversify solutions using Python language. And the most important thing is that it will be doing, it will be openings to your 100 plus new opportunities, or job opportunity, or work opportunity for sure. Because now in each and every requirement they ask that Python and these modules you know or not, that it enhance your like it will give a plus point to you if you know Pythons very well. Okay, now creating a web application, desktop application, data analyzing, scientific work, and many more will be the outcomes. Like you can do it easily after understanding. So this is the basically topic wise I'll be going through. Any doubt anyone has till now?
So certification.
Certification, I think so you'll be getting it. Juvin will be handling those cases. Means he will be giving that you have been certified, even though we have some link ups with the companies as well, I think so. So there will be an interview. If you good in like after completion of course, you will be asked to join those, or you will be enrolled in those interviews, and then after getting successful you will be coming like with a happy news and all. Okay,
Sir, means which companies means what is the name of which company
there won't
give
be
me certificate?
company will be given by our company itself. Certificates will
Okay.
be given by our anyhow. I'll just go through once again with the main administration block. We have a department for that. Okay, so he will be mostly handling it. Okay, those big my part is for this teaching and handling this stuff. We have a department for each and everything. So administration block will handle those things, as like in colleges or university happen. Same thing, our office also have a department. So I'll be going through it, and I'll be contacting, or you have a Juvin number on my number, you can message me over there also. Okay, I'll be handling all those things. But the main thing is that you need to like main thing is you should do the programming. That is the main like people are go for certification, it's good, but like you have the motto, with the motto we have joined the class, that should be done. That is the priority one, isn't it, Ladit?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, so that is the thing, because certification will help you, but what happen, it won't help you for a long time. Okay, so it won't help you for a long time, but if you know the coding, programming, it will help you for a long time in each and every places also. So don't focus on certification, that you will get it for sure, and your interview call also we will be providing. Okay, that is for sure. But the main thing, priority, if you are making it anything, you should make a priority that I should learn from here and I should do my programming on my own. That should be, and that is only my motto. So that's why I'll be going from like nicely way. Okay, good enough.
Sir,
We-
one more question.
yeah,
Sir, I didn't have done any programming language,
no
means
problem.
Java and C plus. I don't know anything.
Okay,
I'm coming directly to Python.
fine. So here what is written, can you spell? Prerequisite means you required some knowledge before. So what I have given,
Not required.
so you can proceed. No, you are eligible in this, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, I'll go from very like I'll go but easy way, because I like I told you now, I have handled many of the non CS background guys. Okay, so I
Okay, sir.
like I can go very easily. And even though if you and any point of a time, if you find it out that you are not able to understand, I'll this is my number. Okay, fine, this is my number, this is my mail ID. Please send me a message or email on this particular number or mail ID. Okay, then I'll separate you, if you want separately in a private also to understand some particular topic, I'll make you understand. Good enough, Lalit?
Okay, okay, sir.
Good enough? Any more doubts?
No, sir.
Anyone? Any more doubt? Kazi, you have any doubt? Siyog, any doubt? No.
No,
Good.
sir.
Good. So I can proceed? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is the first class, what we'll be talking about. What is Python? I'll be explaining what we brief history about the Python I'll be taking. Okay, comparison of Python with other programming language, how it is differ, what is the salient features of a Python, execution model of a Python, user domain for Python. Okay, companies and industry currently using Python. What all companies? For example, Google, for example, YouTube. The moment you are opening a YouTube, you are finding some recommend video for you, like that, recommended for you, like that, isn't it? So those things are written in Python only in backend. Okay, for example, if you are opening amazon.com or amazon.in, and there if you are selecting one product, they are giving you suggestion of some listed of other product as well, that these are the suggested, or the people who has visited this, they have seen this particular uh, product as well. Those things has been written in Python only in backend. So I'll be showing you, I'll be sharing with you guys that how many companies or industries are using Python. Okay, job trend in Python, what are the job possibility. Then I'll be showing Python applications. Okay, means what all are the application, what all things you can do with your Python. Okay, application. After that, I'll be comparing the Python version 2.7 with 3.x, which version to install and why to install. Okay, I'll be showing you live installation process, from where to install and how, what all are the instructions to follow to install it. Okay, and then different IDLE are there. Python 3.x, x means 3 4 5 6, like that. X means you can change it with any numerical number. Jupyter, PyCharm, Anaconda. But what happen is that if you are doing core Python and advanced Python, so for that, this official editor IDLE, which we will be installing in the first classes itself, that is more than enough to do the programming. If you are doing heavy kind of a project or heavy task, then we go for ideally other IDLE. But for this core Python and advanced Python, that is more than enough to do it. Okay, so these are the topics. our core Python will be started. Indentation in Python, identifiers in Python, reserve keyword in Python. These are the topics I'll be explaining them nicely, theory, okay, and I'll be showing the programming also. Okay, so variables, how to define the variables, different comment in Python, what are the way and why we require the comment. Okay, input output, okay, input output function, okay, import function. These all are the topics I'll be explaining in details in classes, as well as I'll show each and every topics programs also. Script taking input from user. So what happened from this class only, we will be start writing our programming in Python, in which you will be writing that enter your name. Your program will ask enter your name, and the person has to write their name, for example Python. So output should come hello Python, like that it should come. So we will start programming from here only, reading the different input forms, okay, displaying the output, importing the function, and one time password is there. OTP programs we will create in Python. So how to create it? For example, we are getting some random numbers in our OTP, one time password, when we are doing transaction. So that code, how to write it up, that I'll be showing you, sharing with you in this particular classes. Okay, one time password, very few line of a code and very interesting as well. Now data
Okay.
types. Data types, numbers, binary,
Yes,
octal,
sir.
hexadecimal, integer, type conversion, many script example I'll show with all this data types only. So theory will be discussed, and after making theory understandable, we will be doing example of those theory which we have done. Okay, then quizzes will be there.
Okay, sir.
I'll be asking some question, and then I'll be giving assignment. 3 4 questions will be given regarding these all topics which we have done in the classes, as a kind of a homework, home assignment. So
Yes,
what will happen is that you go at home, do the assignment, and next morning in the next classes what will happen is that first we will discuss and clear all the doubts of assignment. Okay, after solving all the assignment doubts and the solution, then we will proceed to our new topic. Good enough? Good,
okay, sir.
isn't it? In which, in assignment, what I'll do it, for example, suppose 4 5 questions I have given, in which what will happen is that 3 4 questions will be easy one, means related to what I taught. 1 or 2 questions I'll make some typical one, some difficult one, so that you can search and you can do some little research, so that it will becomes interesting you to do next time. So next time when you will come, we will discuss about the assignment, all the questions which all been discussed or not. Then we will be proceeding to our new topic. Good. Now data types with method: integer, float, bool, complex, byte array, okay, list, tuples. These are the data types. Basically, I'll be explaining there what why we required this and what are the functionality, what all methods are there to describe these all data types. Good. And again, quizzes and assignment. Then operators are there, arithmetic
I did
operators.
till here, sir. By YouTube.
Yeah, say.
I did till here operators, till operators by YouTube. Means before 2 weeks.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So it will be fast only. I'll give you more details about it. In YouTube's what
Okay.
happened, few only you are getting it. But in the here,
Okay.
what will happen? I'll be talking about in details. Means theory as well as coding will be there. Okay, with others
Yes.
programming. So can you say me why we are using this operator? What is the need of it? Any example you can give? Anyone? Anyone can try. Why? What is the need of it? This operators.
Yes, sir. I
Why?
can. Means
Yeah.
like operators are first it arithmetic operator. This is used to perform some plus minus multiply divide operations.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, but like this
See.
comparison operator, it is to compare like A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. A
Hmm.
is greater than B. If we write enter, it is false because A is 10 and B is 20. B is greater than A.
Yeah.
That
Good.
is
Excellent. Excellent. Good. Good. Good.
comparison operation. Means I have did from YouTube, but I'm not understanding all over the concept.
Okay, no
That's why.
problem. I'll give you one example right now that will make you easy to understand and will give you definition and what is the need of this operator. For example,
Oh,
everyone. For example, I'm saying to everyone is that, for example, if you have given a task to create a program for a school, okay, in a school what happened? Class 1 to class 10 classes are there in a school, and there you got a task that you need to get the student name whose class is from 5th to 10th. So how you will write this whose class is a class name where class is greater than 5th, greater than or equal to 5th, and less than or equal to 10. So these how we are writing it, that we will understand in these operators. That is the need of operators. Understood? So like this
yes, sir.
only.
Assignment
Like,
operator.
yeah, no, not assignment. We will use comparator operator, comparison operator only.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, each and everything I'll be explaining you in the classes very nicely, so it won't be thing. But it makes up the what is the useful of this operator, why we are learning it like that. Each and every topics like function is the topic. Why first I'll be saying that what is the need of this function, why we require this function, what is the need. First we should understand that, and then we should learn how to do it, isn't it? So arithmetic operators, relational operators, these are the operators we will go. And then becomes about the flow control, if else, okay, loop, for loop, while loop is there, nested loop, control statement, break, continue, quizzes and assignment regarding all those questions, okay, theories. Then comes the function, basic useful function, advanced function, anonymous function, lambda function, recursive function, quizzes and assignment. Okay, these are the topics. Modules and packages, import statement, directory function, reload function, date and time modules. Or in my case, what is happening? I'm giving 15 days ahead of the nature of the ocean. So I have to use date and time. Or if suppose if you are saving any file with you want to save with the name of a date, this date I have created as a folder name, so for that you need to use this date and time module. Okay, then again quizzes and assignment, then file handling we will be doing. So what happen is that these many files are there, permanently stores files are there in my directory. Okay, these many txt files are there, okay, or pdf files are there. How we will be using those files, that will be done in file handling. So opening any file, reading any file, writing any file, creating any new file, appending into existing file, that will be done in this file handling. Okay, then creating a directory in python, renaming a directory with python, these all will be very useful. Or a file in python, how you can rename it. After this what will happen, your core python will got completed. Okay, any doubt anyone?
No, sir.
Kazi, any doubt from your side? Janice Shah, any doubt? Janil Shah, any doubt? Rahul, any doubt?
No, sir.
Suyog,
No,
any
sir.
doubt? Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir. It's almost okay.
Okay, no, good enough. Then we are pro. So up to this, what will happen? Your core Python will got completed. Now we will be starting about the advanced Python. So OOPS concept will be there, object-oriented programming concept, in which we will be talking about the classes and object. Okay, destructor in Python, encapsulation in Python, data hiding, inheritance. Okay, different types, method overriding, polymorphism, and quizzes and assignment. So these are the topics basically. I'll be explaining what these topics are doing, okay, and how we will do programs as well of these same topics in Python only. So in classes that will be in very detail basically. Okay. Now exceptional handling is there. Why we require this exceptional handling, I'll be explaining in classes. There are built-in exception, handling exception, user defined exception. Exception is in Python means if you want to do some testing kind of a in your code, that can be done with the help of this exception. and then quizzes and assignment I'll be giving. Okay. Now comes the regular expression. As you open the Microsoft Word, there you can search any particular pattern. Okay, Control F for searching. So with those things we want to do through Python coding only. So I'll be explaining how to do in regular expression. Finding some pattern, finding some pattern. Okay, finding some pattern, how to finding some string, how to replace those string in each and every places, or how to find it out the string in class, like all the text file without opening the file, that we will discuss in regular expression. Okay. Now quizzes and assignment. Now after that, to store a data in a huge data in database row and column format, that we will be discussing in database programming. Okay, insert operation, update operation, delete operation, read operation, disconnecting, exceptional handling. These are, after that what happened, your advanced Python will also get completed. Then I'll be talking about data science. What is data science? Theory about data science. Popular modules of data science means pandas are there. If you want to do any file related work, you can do easily with pandas. So this is the external module, basically external framework or library you can say. I'll be showing you how to install into your system. Okay, and how to use this, implement this particular module in your work in Python only. NumPy, any science related work if you want to do, you have to use this NumPy module. Any data you have, you want to see it up, visualize it up, that can be done with the help of Matplotlib. Okay, this is a module I'll be showing you up, not to details but the basics, few examples only, so that it makes you easy to operate these all things. Now Twinkter is there. Twinkter for making a desktop application or GUI. Twinkter explanation I'll be doing. With get explanation I'll be doing. Simple calculator kind of doing. One more project I'll be doing of Twinkter only. I'll to show you in which random colors will be changed. After that, Django I'll be showing you up web application. Django explanation. PyCharm installation. Ideally is there software on which or tools on which we are doing our Python coding. Okay, web creation, website creation, in which one web page creation kind of thing I'll be showing you guys. Okay, then web scraping is there. Okay, web scraping, taking the data from the website on the real time basis, that I'll be showing. For example, if you have if there is a product on amazon.com, if suppose this project only, and currently it's showing 128 as a price. Okay, but you want this product when it becomes 100 as a price. Okay, so what you will do it up, you will write a code in Python in which this particular website, this particular product price will come to your email kind of, and you can put a condition over there. The moment it becomes 100, the price is 100 or less than 100, then send me an email. So what will happen, as the moment they have changed it, this product 128 to 100, so sorry, suddenly you will get an email in your mail ID or your message, you can do it, that this price product has been currently been listed as 100. So at that moment of time, you open your amazon.in website, your profile, and you can purchase it. No need to open your amazon.com or .in website and to check it up regularly. You can do this at automatically kind of. So that can be done with the help of this concept called web scraping. I'll be showing example of web scraping. Okay, so this will be the completion of our course. Any doubt anyone has can ask me.
So you said you will teach data science. Means after doing this Python course, we will be able to get that job.
See, for an fresher kind of things, you can get the job. I won't be going into very detail in data science, because this will take at least 3 months of a course. Okay, this data science is,
Okay, sir.
if anyone, if any
Okay.
places you are going, then what will happen, they will teach you for at least for 3 months, because math are also coming over there and other possibility. What I'll be showing you, that
Okay.
after completion of advanced core Python and advanced Python, you will be able to do coding in Python. You will become somehow very good in doing the Python. Now to don't you get to to someone who has learned the Python, and he don't know, or he or she don't know where to implement those concepts which he has learned, then it becomes a useless only, because he know the skills but he don't know the places where he can implement those skills. So to
Okay, sir.
to show those skills, what are the possibilities, that I'll be showing by going through all the basics of each and every platform or profile. For example,
Okay, sir.
you can do data science work, you can create a desktop application, you can go with the web designing, web application work. So I'll and web scraping work, these are the concept, these are the very, and these are very details concept. It's not an easy that we can have complete in 1 week or 2 days. At least it will take 1 month for to go in
Okay, sir.
detail and understand it. Good. So
Yes, sir. So,
these all
am I able to get job after this?
you can get internship for sure, or job also if the work is less. Or what you do it that
Okay, sir.
I'll be teaching you the foundation of this. Okay, now since I'll be teaching you the foundation of data science, what will happen, you yourself can work and learn it easily. You need not have to take any courses for data science. I will be making you capable up to that from your self study you can proceed the data science work very easily. Okay. Okay, Lalit, any
Okay,
doubt?
sir.
So what will happen is that, or
No,
you
sir.
can or you can join our data science, or I'm also teaching as a data science also. So you can join that classes, that course. There what will happen, we will go in very detail about this data science. Okay, because you can understand it's not
Sir,
a
how many months take this?
this will take around 3 months around at least, this data science. If you want to learn really with enthusiasm, it will take, because it's a big topic. It's not an easy topic. 2 to 3 months it will take it for sure for data science. Okay,
Okay, sir.
any other doubt?
No, sir.
No, what happens, no, basically crowd is going from data science, and the moment I'm teaching other possibilities, no, like creating a desktop application, django I'm teaching it, then some many of the possibility, well, if your focus is for getting job as soon as possible, no, Lalit, you better go with this django. If your focus is to get good job, and a good job, good salary job, okay, good package job, and early as possible, you better learn this django. It's easy also, and you will get lots of opportunity with this django. Okay.
Okay. In
So what,
Delhi? Gurgaon.
yeah, yeah, that's the thing. No,
Oh,
we are the expert. We know very well that, like, don't go with the crowd. I'm saying you, and that's the reason. What happened is that people come here, join my course for the data science, and at the end of them, I take them feedback from each and every participant. Then they are saying that I'll be going to Django because I find it out Django web application very nice as compared to others. Okay, so so these are the cases as came, and like it's easy, and you if you want the job very fast, no, I'm saying you join this django. That is like django means do this django, you'll get many startups are there which are getting this django one. Because what happened, the real thing is that data science or data analyzing, what will they will do is that in that you will be using data. Since you don't have much of the experience, so what they will do it, they will borrow that data, they will purchase that data, and they are giving fund for that data. So they won't give more chances to the fresher on new joining one. Okay, fresher as well as 1 year
yes,
of
sir.
experience, they won't give it as compared to experienced one. So what happened, whereas in this case of a django, you'll be creating a web application, so they can provide it easily. They are not spending too much. You will be creating a new application, and then you can do the web design. And the moment you are doing your job, for example, if the moment anyone is doing job in django, in that phase you start learning data science also in deep. So if suppose 6 months you will give in data science very fastly, then you can switch it up. You will be having two skills. Anyhow, don't think of that thing currently, because the first thing you should learn is that how to do coding in Python. That is the main foundation. If you directly jump,
Yes, sir.
if you directly jump to what?
I am a BBA final year student.
Okay, no
Hello,
problem.
I
Yeah,
am a
yeah.
BBA final year student. After that, I will do Python and doing job somewhere and learn Django. How many time take? How much time take Django?
Uh, uh, that will
Hello.
take 1.5 to 2 months. 2 months it will take.
But sir, it's learning means being expert. It will take 6 months maybe.
No, like coding is something you need to do lifetime. if you are if you are like, but you can become very good in like 2 months. You can start anything, you can create your own thing in 2 months very nicely. Very good result will come in your 2 months for sure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So don't like see, if you directly jump to data science, directly jump to Django, it won't help you. You will come back for sure
Yes,
for
sir.
Python. So don't think
It's
of Django data science of now. You just think of one thing. Everyone I'm saying to everyone, do think of one thing to code in Python. That you need to be expert. After you have the Python script of coding, no, you can go in any places. You won't be finding
okay, sir.
much difficulty. Okay.
Hmm.
Anyone? Any others doubt? Anyone have? Shah,
Okay, sir.
Kazi, Rahul, Suyog? Anyone have any doubt? Or we can sum up. And what about the timing? Timing, which all timing you guys are preferring?
Not for my
Can you write on your chat box? What is the timing you are preferring for the classes? Lalit? Hello? Hello? Yeah, good. No, night or night, like we will be doing night only, but in night, what will be the range? Like from 9 to 10 p.m. According to your time zone, you can say me so that I can fix a time and we can start it the classes. For example, 9:00 p.m. Indian Standard Time, like that you can write. 8 to 9 p.m. is better. Kindly write with your time zone also so that we can match it. Like we have a other international as well as national client also. I'm from Bangladesh, 8 to 9 p.m. Indian. Okay, okay, Shuyog. 5:30 GMT. 9 p.m. Indian Standard is okay, no problem. Okay. See, we are focusing basically night time only we will be having. Not to worry, guys. Night of India. Night of India basically. Okay. The time range we will just fix it up. It will be around 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. like that we'll be having classes. Is it good enough for everyone? In this range only we will be having. So Monday to Friday we will have class. Okay. Yes. Monday to Friday we will have. Saturday, Sunday will be off for us. Okay. Monday to Friday. Uh, is it okay? Is it okay if 10:00 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Is this time okay if I take 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Indian Standard Time, Monday to Friday? Is it okay for everyone? I send it to Rahul only. Good enough. Means everyone is fulfilling it. Means everyone is okay with it. So fine. So good. Very good. Excellent. Very well. So I got a very good participants, I think so. Impressive participants. Hope you guys do the assignment also on time. Good. So today is Sunday. Hopefully from tomorrow onwards we'll start our classes. Is it okay? I'm in a mood to start class from
So it will be how many hours class?
1 hour class, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m.
And in how many months the course will get completed?
Around 2 months it will take.
2 months.
Yeah. All the sessions, all the classes will be recorded in HD quality. Okay. All the sessions will be recorded, and hope if anyone need it, I'll be transferring to their account as well. Okay. So if you missed some of the classes, the video will be available to you, or even you can take my classes, or what I can do it up. If you want online live interactions, then I can join you with some other course also in some other class. Okay. For that particular topic. Is it okay,
So
Rahul?
so inshallah, like what we will achieve by doing these classes, like what will be the end product for us if we follow up with you.
I'm saying you what will be the end product.
Like where we'll stand after this 2 months course if we follow up.
This is the course output. Okay. You will be able to do all the works. Means you can do Python programming. That will be, you will be able to accept it. Means you can do it. To know the concept in problem solving, how any problems comes, a real world problem will be coming to you. Okay. And how you can do it. To do programming in Python language, how you can do it. Okay. And to solve the real world application, you can create a web application, you can create a desktop application, you can do the part of data analyzing scientific run. Because like what will happen, Rahul only, no, I'm talking to Rahul, no.
Yes, yes.
So what will happen is that you can automate the thing that will be the output through your Python coding. Is it fine?
Okay.
Okay,
So
no.
there will be projects also which we will be working on.
Yeah, there will be many kind of a projects, not a huge one. But many projects we will be doing in between of each and everything in while talking the topics. Okay, many projects we will be
Okay.
doing while doing. I'll be giving questions. You will be doing assignment. So don't to worry. Like you can you will be able to do coding. That's the main thing, that you will learn something from here, a coding stuff that you can do. So once you know those things, then you can proceed with others concept also. Okay.
Okay.
Any more doubt, Rahul?
So, so this is the base of like whatever we are doing.
Yeah.
Uh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
And if you, for example, if some topics are there which you want to discuss, that also I can handle you. Okay, then I'm
And the
huh.
material, you will be providing the material or some more
Yeah, I have
online
soft
content.
copy. If you want notes, that also I can provide you. I have soft copy for that. PDF I have. If you want, I can provide you notes. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. Any more doubts anyone has? Kazi, any doubt? No, okay, fine. So what happened, our teams will be there, they will be contacting, or you can contact to them as well. Okay, and hopefully tomorrow we can start at 10 p.m. If you have like we can start our classes from 10 p.m. to tomorrow after my like teams are been done. Okay, Juvain is there. Juvain wants to say something. Juvain. Okay then. Okay, I'm signing for off from here. Any doubt anyone has, they can ask me. No doubt. All good. Okay, fine. Okay then. Thank you very much, guys. See you on tomorrow 10 p.m. hopefully. Okay. Okay. Nice talking to you guys. Nice interaction. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Nice. Thank you.